Alright, zombies. Party time's over. Today we're attacking the plants again. And we have a new recruit. Introduce yourself, Duckweed.
Hello, Mr. Obama. It's an honor serving for you.
Okay.
What's your last name?
Care.
Obamacare. Sick one. Is there Obamacare? Do I get this if I sign the contract?
No.
I'm gonna eat myself so far. You're not gonna see me again. Hey, when it was windy in our home country, we just said.
Okay. Yeah, I agree with Mr. Bucket Man. It's too cold and windy outside. There's leaves everywhere.
No, Obama! What happened to all the characters from episode 4?
Psst.
Yeah.
No breaking the fourth wall. That's against the rules.
It says here on page 2. So
shut up.
Deal with it.
Reverse card. Alright, let's go. Whee!
Yeah, but guess what? I have a +4. Are you Mr. Obama?
Oh, ow. That hurt really bad. What was that? What?
Gotta hide. I'm behind enemy lines. You don't see me.
Okay.
Everybody, wake up. I think the zombies are trying to attack us. And Ice P, get off. Thank you. And that's why I'm so mad all the time.
Zombies attack!
OMG, I'm so underweight. That's why I keep blowing away.
Underweight? More like Undertale, like Sans from Undertale.
You're very stupid.
If it makes you feel any better, I won't shoot you.
Okay.
Yeah. Something like this. Hey, guess what? Woody? Ah! You popped my duck tube. You know what? Guess what? At dinner tonight, I'm gonna go. By the way, you're a boy.
Bruh.
It's too cold.
Got him.
Oh wait, I have a chip. I don't care.
Oh, just coming by. Ooh! Ow, that hurt really bad, stupid bucket. Oh. Looky here. I see an ice pea. Pew pew. Ow, oh, ow. Ow, it's too cold. I win. Now, corn. Oh, crap. Oh no, I'm scared of corn. Corny. Oh my gosh, it's corn.
I'm gonna become a Beyblade.
No, let it rip. Ow. Owie. Me smash.
Home. Look at this leaf pile. It's suspicious. Look. No, Obama! I need to use my teleportation powers to get back home! Whee! I'm gonna take a gangster style on you! Oh no! No more gangster time, I guess!
Yeet. Alright, plants, you asked for it. Here it comes, the huge wave! A huge wave of zombies are approaching. Brain! Huge wave!
Time for you to know the daily news. Oh no! I want tomorrow's paper.
Good.
Make it sound Italian.
I'm gonna make you explode.
No!
Guess what, nerd? I'm back and I face my ducky tooth. I'm gonna beat you with this leaf now. Okay. I'm gonna
Pew 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 pew.
I hit my guts. Hey, let's put that on you. Nothing personal, kid.
Oh my, what shit that you?
Nani Obama?
Pew 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 pew
I've
pew.
been shot.
Yay, friends win! Wow. Well, at least we got the brains last time, but for now, retreat time. To the trees where I go. Yay. Ow, this is prickly. Alright, zombies. Well, I guess we won last time. So I guess it's fine, but I wanted the brains. Again.
Hey, wait, guess what? At least I got my revenge on Chomper. Freaking vegan.
Yeah, freaking vegans. So, I guess we won't make you guys watch Barney the Dinosaur again. Cause we got the brains last time.
Can we make Coney do it, the gangster Coney? He did nothing this time.
Fine. Hey, gangster Coney.
What you want?
To the Barney chamber you go.
No!
You have to watch all seasons of Barney. Goodbye. Well, that's it for this episode. So, yeah, goodbye.
I like Barney though. You look like Barney.
Shut up.